Good morning, everyone. Fargo checking in. It's going to be a lovely trading day today. Just want to go over, if you haven't caught the the webinar, whatever that I put out a couple days ago. Just keep in mind that we are interested in this dollar weakness, right? So we had a doji on a smaller time frame. Let's see if we get this 4-hour engulfing. Which should probably happen in about an hour or two. So moving on, what I'm interested in, right? I know I was interested in taking a buy from this level right here, although I ended up getting stopped out or whatever. I'm gonna follow along, see what happens with this, but I'll probably take an entry over here as long as we get this nice little 4-hour bullish engulfing down here, right? So I'd be interested in taking something like this, right? Because it is, so you guys understand, today is the quarter closing, right? So, the first, if you guys understand fiscal years, right, usually goes in 4 quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So right now we're summing up the months of quarter 1 is summing up the months of January, February, and March, right? So with that being said, I am expecting some good bullish momentum just to close out the month, right? So that's what I'm looking at. You can follow along with these TPs right here. These TPs were set once we get to where this blue ellipse is at up here, right? Furthermore, looking at AU, right? So AU, this is actually a beautiful, not a beautiful, but this should be an interesting trade right here. Just looking at this, prices respecting some March levels. This was actually, looking back, prices respecting some February levels, right? So this would be like a second bounce. This would be the break from December levels, respecting back in February, respecting probably again in March, toward the end of this, right? So I'm looking at this as 2 different ones that you can kind of, run with, I guess. Actually, I'd say run with this one right here. So if you don't get, entries around this level, you can take entries around the 76, 250-ish or so, right? Moving again, this is actually probably going to be a great trade, right? So I would not be surprised if GU between today and tomorrow does do this, whether it be a 200 pip move or 100 pip move, we're going to see some significant bullish momentum, right? I'd just be interested in probably, entering somewhere around here and then taking partials, whether it be 80, 90 pips or, 130 pips. So between this level and this level is about 30, 40 pips. So I feel comfortable taking no profits in between there. There will still be some resistance, but if we break past that, it's probably going to be a straight shot, to that. We break past this 138, 500 is another straight shot to it's literally going to be another straight shot, 100 bullish, 100 pips to the upside, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at. And then if you guys did follow along, this GJ trade I've already been in. I've highlighted this on Monday. Wait for this to pop back up. All right, so this GJ trade, right? So GJ trade, I was talking about it being kind of like a definite, right? That's the fact that, it's just been bullish, 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 bullish. So this right here, if you were able to catch this, shout out to you, it's about 115 pips, right? I would not be afraid to, continuously take buys. Just, I think it might pull back down to like 152 or something like that, and then pull back up, right? So, as far as GJ, I'm not looking for anything. I'm already in this trade. Trades that I'm looking at entering right now, though, right? So this Ucad one, I'm definitely interested in entering this trade. This for sure would probably happen. Probably milk that bad boy for like 125 pips, right? So entry point would be somewhere up here. You might be able to catch the retest. Another thing as well, I'm interested in taking this short right here on EA for maybe about 100 pips into this 53 level right here. So we'll just adjust some of these. This is what we're looking for. So we're looking for the month to just be ending strong, and essentially we shall see what happens. But yeah, you got some good trades right there. So pretty much you're looking at a EA sell, UCAD sell, GJ buy, GU buy, AU buy, and EU buy, right? Anything else, you can figure out in between. All right, so just want to bless you guys with some tips. Forex Fargo checking out.